So hello guys, this is the Micro Data Center from Eaton. So what is a Micro Data Center? So Micro Data Center is a data center that doesn't require you to build a server room. Because server room takes time, take cost, and it's a big hassle to do reconstruction, renovation about it. So our solutions to that problem would be the Micro Data Center. So this is the micro data center that we are showcasing. This can power up to 28 units of data server racks. And we have a version that can power up to 32 units of server rack. And if you come closer, I can show you about all the operations around it. So first, for the quality of life stuff, if you have an engineer that wants to install a new data server rack, but he's not from your company and require access remotely, you can do it by giving them access remotely. It's a quality of life thing. And once you look inside, you can see that we have all the switches here and the power distribution unit. And the power distribution unit can power up to 5 kVA for this unit. And here is the compressor. And now allow me to show you the back of the thing. So at the back of the thing, we can see our power distribution units here. And the special thing about this power distribution units, we have anti-seismic lock. So during the earthquake, your power distribution units will not be loose. And here is the first power distribution unit, second power distribution unit, and here is the compressor, and we can connect it outside for the air to go out. And now we go back to the front of the thing. So as you can see, this data center is able to monitor the temperature and the humidity. And if there's any problem, we can have an alarm to notify you about the things. And now I will try to simulate a power outage so that the microgrid data center will turn in color and notify the engineers about the problem. Okay. So I'm gonna turn off the power, and in just a second, this is gonna change in color, and this will allow the engineers to be notified that there is a problem with the micro data center, and there will be alarms here. And with the alarms, we can know where's the problem and how serious is the problem. And we have coded based on colors on the level of seriousness of the problem. For the negligible problem, and level 1 for the most critical problem. All right, thank you.